5 inches. Yeah, I'd say 5 inches. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up at our new house build, which is coming along rather nicely, as you can kind of tell. The weather hasn't really cooperated with us much here. We've got about, I'm going to say 5 inches of snow up here, which we're going to have to remove. I'm going to probably be using our, well, we could use our John Deere. But no, well, I think today we'll probably end up using our Jeep with our 6.5, 7 foot plow on it. So let's get to work. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the plow out of the new construction house. We've got it set so I think most of the contractors will be able to get out here and park. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. We're trying to get as many new subscribers as we can. We've got some more content coming your way. We haven't posted in a while just because this has been taking up a lot of time. There's some videos that we'll probably be posting about the build as we go along. But yeah, I guess we'll just have to go on to something else. So hey, until next time, we'll see you later.